Hi, I'm Chris Donnelly, a builder by trade, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your weatherboards if they've been affected by extreme heat. My mum had a fire which totaled her garage and the heat from it bubbled the paint on the weatherboards. She had just painted her house a year ago, so she's happy I'm fixing them. Luckily there's no smoke damage, so they don't need to be treated. They just need a scrape and a repaint. I'm always careful with older houses in case there are traces of lead in the older layers of paint. So I'm going to wet sand any flaking paint and make sure all my sanding dust and debris is contained. Now I'm filling holes and smoothing out the surface. And when that's dry, I need to sand and then prime with Resene Quick Dry. Once that's dry, it's time for the top coat. The paint on Mum's house is Resene Lumbersider Low Sheen in Resene Gull Grey. After a second coat, Mum's heat damaged weatherboards are back to looking brand new.